This is the story of a woman who could do it all. She was once known as the most beautiful woman in the world. She dazzled on the Hollywood screen and was one of the biggest actresses of her time. But there was more to her than just the good looks. Behind it, she was a genius scientist who created an invention that would change the world. This is the story of Hedy Lamarr. Hedy was born on the 9th of November 1914 in Vienna, Austria. As a child, she always had a love for film and theatre, but was also interested in invention. Her mother would sing and dance with her, while her father would take her out on walks and tell her how different technology worked. At just 5 years old, Hedy broke open a music box to understand how it worked and then successfully reassembled it all by herself. When she was 15, she dropped out of school to pursue her dream of becoming an actress. Her incredible skill and striking looks helped her quickly get roles and become one of the top actresses in Austria. In 1933, she married Fritz Mandl. He was a rich Austrian military ammunition manufacturer who had close contacts within the Nazi Party. Through him, Hedy got the opportunity to go to business meetings and factory visits. During these, she met scientists and manufacturers who helped her gain the crucial knowledge about military weapons and radio technology that she would use in the future. But her husband was controlling and abusive. He stopped Hedy from continuing her acting career and expected her to be a good housewife who obeyed her husband. Hedy knew she needed to get out. So one night, she disguised herself as a maid and fled the house. She boarded a ship to America, and finally, Hedy was free. In America, Hedy resumed her acting career. She became one of the most successful and sought-out actresses during the golden era of Hollywood. She starred in several hit movies like Algiers, Samson and Delilah, and White Cargo. But Hedy wasn't just a movie star with a pretty face. She was also a scientist. To cure her boredom in between takes, Hedy began inventing things. She worked on everything, from the shape of airplane wings to carbonated drinks to even a more efficient tissue box. Despite dropping out of school and having no formal qualification, she had an incredibly scientific mind. Soon, she invented a technology that would change the world. The United States entered World War II in 1941. At that point, the Nazis were very close to winning the war, as they had highly advanced U-boats and torpedo technology. They were able to torpedo several British passenger boats that were carrying refugees from Europe to America for safety, costing hundreds of innocent people their lives. The Allies, unfortunately, were unable to handle this. They had a weaker infrastructure. 60% of their torpedoes would either dive too deep, or explode too early, or do nothing at all. To combat this issue, the US Navy were using radio-controlled underwater missiles, but was struggling to stop enemies from hacking into their torpedoes' guidance system and redirect it on a different course. Word of this reached Hedy. She didn't feel comfortable sitting in America and making lots of money when things in Europe were in a horrible state. Hedy discussed the torpedo issue with her friend, composer George Antheil. The two realized the enemy jamming could be avoided, and they developed a unique method called frequency hopping. Frequency hopping is a way of switching between radio frequencies to avoid the jamming of a signal. Using this technology, a torpedo's receiver and the radio guidance transmitter jump from frequency to frequency, making it nearly impossible for an enemy to locate and block the torpedo. After inventing the new technology, Hedy and George received a patent for it in 1942. They called their new gadget the Secret Communication System. Although not even a US citizen, Hedy donated the technology to the US Navy. The Navy, however, thought the mechanism was too complicated and too bulky to use in a torpedo. It was hard for them to believe that Hedy Lamarr, a Hollywood movie star, could make a technology that was so complicated. At the same time, the US government seized her patent. Due to Hedy's past marriage to Fritz Mandel and his Nazi connections, the government thought that she was a spy. They kept the patent but refused to use the technology. So instead, Hedy chose to prove her devotion to the Allied powers and the American military by using her star power. She helped the government in the war effort by selling $25 million worth of war bonds. The military didn't recognize the significance of Hedy's invention until nearly 20 years after the war, when they used it during the Cuban Missile Crisis. The world would realize soon that this invention was revolutionary in ways more than just for defense purposes. Hedy's technology would form the basis with which Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and other wireless technology could be made. But not once was Hedy ever compensated for her revolutionary invention. If she was, she would have probably earned close to $30 billion. The world would be a very different place if Hedy Lamarr didn't invent this system. Her story is one of perseverance and innovation. Her contraption changed the way the world works and how society functions. We wouldn't be able to call or text our friends or use Google Maps to guide us while we drive. Her inventive genius wasn't recognized for many decades. Everybody found it hard to believe that a glamorous film star could be the brains behind this life-changing technology. With this, we reach the end of today's episode. We would love to know how the story of Hedy Lamarr has inspired you. Share your thoughts by connecting with us on our social media handle at Epilogue Media on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For more stories of immaculate women who shattered glass ceilings, subscribe now to the Women in History podcast.